Rita, I am serious. Come on, stop this now. Stop it.
Jenny! You're not being realistic here.
Oh, come off it, Gina. You found love, I found mine. We're both happily mine. That's all.
Sure we are. But somehow I still feel guilty.
Over what?
I left. Richie, if I didn't, we'll be living together now.
But you did. Okay, you did. I really don't want you to beat yourself over that.
Richie. Richie, tell me, are you really happy? Look at me, Richie. You practically are not as happy as you sound. I know you. I know when something is wrong. We dated for 6.5 years and I know you.
Gina, stop! What exactly is your mission here?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have left. I guess we all make mistakes.
There is no mistake here. Okay, I strongly believe in destinies. It is clear that we're not meant to be together.
Okay. Have you forgiven me now?
There's nothing to forgive in the first place.
Then why didn't you invite me to your wedding?
No, about the wedding, you know how you ladies feel very, very insecure when it comes to your husband's ex? I just didn't want my wife to feel subdued. That was why. You know how popular our relationship was.
I just came to clear my conscience, okay? But if you truly believe that there are no ill feelings, I want you to give me a passionate hug.
What?
A hug, Richard. A special hug to show that there are no ill feelings between us.
Gina, you and I have hugged over 5 million times in the 6.5 years we dated. Why is a hug right now so? Why?
It doesn't matter, Richard. Just hug me.
No, Gina, I need to know why you want this particular hug.
Richard, hug me.
Okay.
So come, hug me, hug me.
Okay. Jesus. Kenny, Gina, can Jenny!
What's the matter? You look awful.
I know her. Okay, you know who? The woman that you caught with the guts that calls himself my husband. I caught him red-handed right there in his office. Just sit down. Sit down. Relax. I want to hear every bit of it. You know I called you and told you I was going to make up with him.
Yes, and I tried to dissuade you from going.
I know, Rita, but Rita, I took my time. I prepared his favorite meal, pounded yam and vegetable soup, only for me to get to his office and see him kissing and calling and smooshing shamelessly right there in his office.
What did you do? What did you do?
What would I have done? I just walked out and came right here.
Why do you always behave like an amateur? If I were in your shoes, I would have torn every piece of clothing on that horse body.
Rita, she's his ex. His ex!
She's an ex?
Yes!
Hey! The worst competitor to have around. An ex!
And he told me everything between them was finished, dead and buried after she left him to go get married to some other man.
She's married?
Yes, she is!
I love my wife, but God knows I love Jenny. but she smashed the windscreen of the Jeep. And now what happens? She walks in right on me and Gina.
There was nothing to it. It was just a normal hug.
A normal hug. Bobby, how do I explain to Jenny that that was just a passing hug? You tell me.
Well, explaining you must. I don't know how you do it.
Look, women treat issues of their husbands' ex-girlfriends with extreme violence.
Richie, it's not the end of the world, okay? Relax.
It's not the end of the world. She smashed the windscreen of the Jeep for no reason. For this, she'll probably burn the house down. Just pray I'm not in it when it happens.
Hey, guy, look. Quit panicking, okay? Women are a funny animal. Well, says James Hadley Chase. All right? They hardly act with reason. Okay?
See, Jenny told me she would forgive me anything. I mean, anything that I do, except infidelity.
She said that?
Yes.
Well, hardly ever will.
Jenny is not every other woman.
Look, guy, she's still a woman, okay? So, stop panicking. Hey, are you sure you still don't want to get involved in this?
No, it's... I'll handle it.
Junior. How are you? What have you been doing? Oh, homework. That's good. My lovely children from my lovely father. Go back. Continue.
Jude, or whatever your name is called. What was the meaning of that nonsense you did yesterday? Throwing my own mother out of my own matrimonial home.
I thought I warned you beforehand.
Warned me? Warned me how? That I should not allow my mother to come into my own matrimonial home.
Point of correction. My house. I mean, my house.
Your house. So I'm not part of the house.
If you want to be, I told you before that things must be done in my house the way I want them.
God, I just can't believe this. How did I find myself in the hands of this madman? Can you imagine my own mother thrown out of my own matrimonial home?
Your mother heeded to my advice. Otherwise, I would have shown you the true meaning of madness.
So she let you come home tonight. God bless her.
Believe me, Jenny, you're holding this from the wrong end of the stick.
Richard, have you ever heard of the Marines?
The Marines?
Yes. Some beings that live under the sea. Mami water. Ogbanji. Have you heard of them?
Hey, what has this got to do?
Richard, go tell your stupid stories to the Marines. Those are the people that will listen to it and not me. Nonsense.
Jenny. Jenny, please open the door.
Where is she? Where is the owner of the store? Yeah? Oh, there she is.
Hello? What's going on here? Hello? Jenny?
Yes, it's me, Gina.
So what do I owe this invasion?
Invasion? Are you not supposed to be married?
Of course! Happily married.
Happily married?
Yes.
So what are you doing in God's name with another person's husband?
I went to his office. I paid him a visit.
Really?
Yes, and we had a hug. A friendly hug.
A friendly hug indeed, Gina, or whatever you call yourself. I caught you halfway undressing yourself in my husband's office shamelessly, and you call that a friendly hug?
How dare you insinuate such rubbish? I courted Richard for 6.5 years. He did everything, practically everything possible to get me to marry him. But I left him for my husband. You see, that day I went to the office. I went to apologize to him for leaving him. If I wanted Richard, it won't have anything to do with someone like you. So why would I want to go back to him?
And that's exactly why we're here, you serpentine spirits.
You cheap thing!
Cheap, shameless idiots! Bitch!
Oh!
Gutter bitch!
Oh, okay.
Loser!
Okay, I can see you guys did not come here to play.
Liar!
You are ready for action, right? Just wait for me.
What will you
do, Gina?
I will tell you! What will you do? I'm going to kill you! Linda, bring me my phone. Look, Richard, whether you were expecting this call or not, this is to let you know that your wife just left my boutique with a bunch of thugs she brought here to harass me. I am letting this pass because of you. But if it repeats itself, she will get exactly what she wants.
Hello, ladies. So what do we owe this August visit?
Chief, we are here to tell you to hold on to your wife.
Hold on to my wife. What sort of language is that?
She's got all these beautiful things surrounding her, including you. What business does she have chasing after somebody else's husband?
Excuse me. Are you telling tales or making a statement of fact?
Your shameless wife was caught in the act with my husband in his office.
So, Chief, we came to tell you to warn her of what awaits her when next she's seen with that person's husband.
Okay, thank you, I've heard. I promise it will not happen again. And you can bet your teeny-weeny heart that it will not happen again.
See?
Madam.
Oga, what did they happen?
Is she in?
Oga, talk to me. Where my Oga?
Oh, please. Let me go for you.
By the grace of God, I'm the chief security officer of my Oga. Talk to me.
Will you open the door for me and stop asking me questions?
Where have you been?
Jenny.
You okay? You look miserable.
You won't believe what happened.
Are you okay?
Jenny. Oh my God, you won't believe what just happened.
Gina! Yes, Gina. What's going on here?
Look here, young man. I take issues of infidelity seriously. And when it involves my wife, you can add deadly to it.
Chief, this is clearly a misunderstanding. There is nothing going on.
Yes, I know. And that is why she is alive. And that is why you are alive. She has told me everything. You know, she cannot withstand my method of extracting informations.
Chief, no woman deserves to be treated this way. This is your wife. You can't treat her like that.
She is my wife!